see here. Oh yeah. Just what I ordered. Here it is. It's finally come after all of this time. Today we shall use it. Okay, let's see here. First, you get this tape off. I'm gonna be a surgeon. How did I mess this up? It's one piece of tape. Oh, okay. Alright. Oh, look at that, guys. They said, "Welcome to Nintendo Labo." How nice of them. Alright, get started. Remove the game card. This is pretty hard. Remove game card. Insert the game card into a Nintendo Switch console. Start the game. I have mine right here. Go. Look at this dummy thick cardboard right here. Right here it says make. That's loud. Ah! This is scary. Whoa. It's hard to pop out. It's a good idea to keep the console charging. Whoops. Oh, it's gonna be instructions on how to use the instructions. Let's get practicing. Oh, we gotta fold this stuff. Yo, this is getting intense. I was not prepared for this. Yo, we gotta fold. Oh, this is hard. Little itty bitty lines here that you probably can't see, but I can, because I'm just that cool. Dude, this practice is, I'm so good at this. It told me to slam it. Guys, do you like it? It holds my Joy-Con. Let me slam it again. And again. Alright, I think I can go onto the real thing. Oh, it blasts into outer space. Can I take this out now? Will they yell at me? That's a lot of stuff you can make. Why not start with the RC car? I can make a race car? Like a remote control car? Whoa. Oh, wait. There's only two steps. Alright, this should be easy. First. Oh, wait. I gotta go to the... Ah, this hurts my eyes. Oh my god, it's so green. How do you even see anything on this? What? Oh wait, this piece right here. Wow, this is hard to see. Let's try and do this very carefully. I say as I almost rip it. As I actually do rip it. You need to be very careful. Punch out these holes again. It doesn't remind you. Okay, now I have my race car. Let's go! Oh, we gotta fold it. It takes a while to fold all these things. But luckily, I know what I'm doing. Oh, this is gonna make the later steps easier, guys. You heard that. You heard it here first, folks. Watch the video closely. I'm watching. Whoa, what the heck? So I gotta fold this half up. Alright, I think we're doing pretty good. Oh. It's done, it's done. Alright, let's move on to the antenna. So is this gonna help me do what? It doesn't actually, oh my god. Alright, got a little antenna. And 1, 2, 3. Oh, so we gotta line up the minus and plus. Oh, no, stop. Alright, I think I did it. I really think I did something wrong. How did I mess up? This was so simple. Upsy daisy? What is an upsy daisy? This is it. It goes up like this. Oh, wow! Let's play now. It's gonna blast off in outer space again. Of course it will. Alright. So So it's like a hand controller. Am I gonna play a game with this little race car? Oh, so this antenna can... Okay. Oh, wait. That's not annoying at all. Whoa, whoa. Calm down, calm down. It's okay. That's actually really cool. Gotta connect 2 more sets of Joy-Cons. So I have 2 over here. I tried that. I'm supposed to have another one. Is there another one? Oh, there is another one. Oh, you can see it on the back right here. Let's try and make it. So let's see if we can use my supreme memory. That's better than anything else. Why is there an elephant? There's an elephant. Nintendo, I want answers. Oh my god, this is frustrating. What about a whole nother race car? Oh, I guess this one is if you want to color on it? Is that it? What would you color on it with? You can't put crayons on it. Crayons? How do you pronounce that word? Crayons. I've never known how to pronounce it. Crayons. People say it's crayons. I feel like that just is too much emphasis on the entire word. Crayons. Here. Alright, we got 2 RC remote control race cars. Let's get it. Yeah! This is really entertaining. Wait, hold on. What's the elephant? Because it's on this sheet of paper. I mean, cardboard. What if I put them in here? Oh, okay. That's what this is for. So I got like an elephant now. Oh, it's got a little tail too. Alright. Now let's see who wins. Nobody, apparently. Oh, the tides have turned. I see, I see. Now let's see what happens if I weaponize this one. Now he's got scissors. It doesn't move. But this one's scared now. He's like, oh no, I'm scared. Okay, so we can have like matches. Oh wait, so oh my god, it exploded. Wait, so if it falls down, it just dies? Yo, this is brutality. This is Nintendo. I thought we were trying to keep this like PG. This is the camera it has. It's like high quality. See that look, ready? And that is me. That's my face. I'm so pretty. And then you could see, because this is where the camera is, right here. It's right in the bottom. You probably can't see it all too well. I can't even see it. But that's where the camera is, and I guess you put it in here, and then it sees whatever it sees. I don't know. I'm not good at this. What else can we make? What else can we do? This is entertaining. Race car. We can fish. We can aquarium. We can house. There seems to be like a motorcycle, a piano. Oh wait, so here we go. Fishing rod, house, motorbike, piano. Alright, why don't we end that there for today? I think I'm gonna go and decorate this. This is so pretty.